What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And today we are here at the zoo. This morning I woke up and I quickly went to the gym. But when I woke up, I had a message from my sister here inviting us to go to the zoo with them. So we are currently here at the zoo and we're just so excited. What animal do you want to see? Lion!
Yeah, so excited to come to the zoo, especially with son, because not only is it his first time, it's our first time at this Werribee Zoo.
Yeah, we've never been to the zoo before.
Which is like a safari or something, eh?
Yeah.
It's like outdoors.
Tour's first ever zoo he's ever gone to is the...
Bali?
Yeah, Bali, in Bali, when he went to Bali. We've never been like inclined to go to the zoo here in Melbourne.
Yeah.
Because we already have a zoo at home. Here, this big gorilla.
Wow, just one site.
Okay guys, we'll see you when we get in. Let's go. Almost there. We did not pre-book, guys. Make sure you guys pre-book. But lucky there's no lines. Let's go.
So yeah, guys, we got here and the whole family was here.
We didn't know everyone would be here.
That's a first.
I love this.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get our tickets sorted. So for the school holidays, all the kids are for free. Just gotta pay for season, all the adults, and then we'll get in there and have some fun.
The family. Where is Daddy? I forgot to bring my trolley. So smart, man. Isa. Okay, guys, we are in the Australian trail. Oh no, we're on the Australian Trail.
Can you hear that? He's so excited.
Are you excited? Let's go see the kangaroos. Run, go Pepe. Run.
What do we call it?
Emu, I think. Come here.
No, you're not.
Donnie, what are you looking at?
They're gonna kick us
A
out.
koala.
It's a koala? Damn.
Sarah, there's another one. Come over here. It's over here.
Oh, so cute.
Mommy, look. Koala.
Oh, the other one's up there.
Where? I see it.
You can just see it back.
Son, can you see it?
Oh, Dumbo.
Yeah. He's sleepy. He's sleepy.
We're in the koala fair.
So just a little update. We're going pretty good. No kids have been lost yet. Everyone's behaving themselves. They're just getting a little bit excited, but I think hungry too. Because I heard a kid say, "When are we gonna eat?"
It says monkeys are over here.
Come on there for a bit, kids.
Let's play. I'm a monkey. Good.
Go, Roman. Okay, guys, we are on a super duper break. Thank you, Mama and Vas, for packing these. Definitely came. Baby girl's happy, son.
Oh yeah, it's okay, baby.
Literally not looking at
Right.
How's the day going, Motu?
Going beautiful.
The kids, out of 10?
8.
No, 8. Ooh,
We're going good so far.
We're doing good. We're
Us
doing
again in an hour. I'll give you another number.
Yeah.
All right, fam. So Motu, this is Motu, beautiful gentleman.
Hi, Motu.
My brother-in-law is, my brother-in-law, who is my. But I said that so bad,
Okay, guys, you haven't met my brother-in-law. This is Motu, who is engaged to our beautiful sister, Vasa.
Nice. I like
That's
that.
the jackpot. Alright guys, so we're down at the Lions. I'm here with Moshe. Came down to show Moshe. Tours up there somewhere. Crazy. Hey. This tour. Yeah, what's the matter? Yeah, go to your mommy.
Okay. Go, son, run.
Go, Rella.
Go, Rella.
Go to. Yeah, you did it. Be careful. What's that, baby? Have fun. We're here at the hippos. Everyone is still here, which is good. Bro, Messiah, Tor, Isa, Mama, Motu, Moses, Russia, Says, Romy.
He wants to go over the fish.
He wants to swim. No, oh, sorry, no, baby. Ooh.
Bro, that's massive.
Holy.
Okay, we're doing good. The kids are still doing good. I see two over there. Well, that's what we're going on.
Yeah. Is it sour?
Okay, guys, we're on our lunch break before we go onto the safari.
So guys, we have done one better. Spaniards kebabs, we got.
Nothing on Kyla's
Oh
sandwiches.
mate. Hey. Well, I'm gonna go in, eh?
Wait, the bread looks really soft.
It is. You made salads?
Yeah, yeah. Hide the box. Hide the boxes.
Chicken farm. That's good.
Fruits. Chips. Sandwich. Hi, my name is Tori. I'm eating a sausage roll.
Anna.
What's happening?
Hippo.
Me. Daddy.
Wow.
Oh, I got
Turn on the.
It's gone.
Bye.
I got to the safari.
Happy birthday to you.
Say hi, Anna.
We're here finally at the safari thing over at the zoo, so we're about to hop on the bus. We waited for a little while, but it was pretty fast.
Come on. chosen to go in the front bus, VIP. Escorted us here, VIP treatment, eh?
Personal
The driver.
Best one.
As we roll off, I do have some safety favours to ask of you. I promise they're very easy. They'll keep you safe, keep the animals safe too. If there is a medical emergency, in the 3 back carriages, you'll see a phone number plastered up. Emergency is. Do hold on to all personal belongings tightly. We can't stop the tour for anything dropped out the window. And Oryx, when you blow your mind, they can go. Do keep your hands inside.
Was that fun? Okay guys, we're here. We've decided we'll come to Macca's to feed the kids, and we've got £5 out, guys. Are you gonna win or
You
what?
know who the winner is. You know what it is.
It's her. 10. Oh, risk it. Oh. You're finished.
I'm done, babe.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You have to say
Round
soon.
4. I don't know
Oh
what that
yeah.
means.
Magic card isn't 3 anymore. It's number
Yeah.
4.
No one said that.
We
Yes.
just said it.
Yeah, but I just thought you meant like 4 cards.
The number 4.
Now everyone knows what I mean. I sat here so silently, like, you'll notice.
Do you want a camera?
You'll notice soon.
And I caught that on camera. Number 4.